everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. I just wanted to make a quick video just to invite you all to come to our free webinar that we are going to be hosting tomorrow evening. Tomorrow, Tuesday the 10th, we are going to be having a webinar all about growing food in the summer and all about organic pest control and all of that. It's going to be a great webinar full of lots of great information, and feel free to bring your questions. We will have a live Q&A session as well. So if you guys have any questions about anything that we're covering, feel free to leave them in the comment section and we will be answering questions throughout it as well. So you don't need to register or do anything like that. All you need to do is tune in tomorrow at 7 o'clock Central Time to any of our YouTube or Facebook channels, and we will be going live there. I hope to see you all there tomorrow at 7 o'clock Central Time. We will be going over all sorts of great things, and we will be going live on Facebook as well as YouTube. So make sure you join us on one of those platforms and bring your questions. And I look forward to seeing you all there.